When you log into the pharmacy portal, you will see a variety of different tabs. The first tab on your left hand side are mobile orders. In this tab you will see all prescriptions, whether new or repeat, that have come through from your patients. To the right of that there are website orders. And the website orders are any orders that are coming through from your website, and this particular feature needs to be enabled, and you need to have put the website order form onto your website. Next to that there's refills. That refills tab is the status of the reminders that have been sent to patients who use the mobile app. And next to that there's a messages tab, and in the messages tab this is where you can create marketing type messages that get sent to everybody who has downloaded the app. Then there's the statistics tab, and in the statistics tab there are the details about the apps and patient performance, orders, refills, reminders, how many orders, how many refills, how many people are using the platform by Android, by iOS, when are people submitting orders, what's happening by month, etc. And lastly, to the right hand side, if I just click on this, you will see that there are a couple of different drop down features related to the pharmacy. You will see Desmond, a pharmacist, is logged in to the pharmacy Grand Budapest Pharmacy, and you will see a item here called Recover Customer Account. We're going to talk about that in a little bit, but that's where you can recover the details of a customer's account if they've lost a phone, forgotten their PIN, or they've upgraded their device from, say, an Android to an iPhone or vice versa. You can do it using this particular account recovery process. They're the main features of the pharmacy portal. At the bottom right hand side there's Ask a Question, and if you press on that, enter the details and ask a question related to either technical or support questions, and we do our best to get back to you as soon as we can. Firstly, let's have a look at the mobile orders tab. In this tab are any prescriptions, both repeat and new, that come in from patients who have downloaded the mobile app. On the top of the screen, there's the ability to search for prescriptions in a variety of different ways. You can do it by status, you can do it when it has been requested. You can also look for prescriptions based on whether there's a repeat, scheduled, not scheduled, or overdue. And lastly is a free text search. So for example, you can put in a free text search by patient or medication name and search for it that way. Let's have a look at the individual items on this screen. On the very left hand side there is a checkbox. I will come back to this checkbox later on. To the right of that there's the order ID. The order ID is something that we use to have a unique order identifier number for each prescription. Then to the right of that there's the status. The status is the status as of the individual script, so it can be completed, in which case you have dispensed the item. It could be viewed, it could be in process. There's a variety of different statuses. These are the list of them here. You could have rejected it, in which case it's in red, though the status list is on the top left hand side. There's a date when the item was requested. To the right of that is the date of when the next repeat prescription is due. And there's a couple of different statuses here. For example, there is no repeat prescription due for the very first script. There is a refill due or repeat due for the second script. It should have been sent through on the 20th of February. It's highlighted in orange, and that is not hugely overdue yet, but you are due to have received it based on your lead time, which I'll go into in a minute. The third one, the prescription, repeat prescription, is not due until the 21st of March. And then if we go down to the fifth one, we see it's highlighted in red. Red means that the repeat prescriptions are very overdue and that you have not received them. In this instance, the prescriptions date from last year, as this is a test machine. Then there's a patient name, and on to the right of that there is view a script.